May it please your lordship, my lord. My lord, after seeking leave, my lord, and after service of the application, now, my lord, what the respondent police authorities have done, my lord, they have tried to overreach the powers of the honorable court, my lord, by passing an order, my lord. We have, my lord, introduced that by way of a supplementary affidavit, my lord. My lord, may I have your lordship's kind leave, my lord? No, I cannot serve it unless and until I get the leave. That is the practice and procedure. That is the practice and procedure, sir. It is a court of record, and I know you try to excite the opponent. Now, my lord, the fact in a nutshell is, my lord, the leader of the opposition in West Bengal, my lord, he will be, my lord, having a political program on the 21st of October, my lord, at this particular area. On the basis thereof, my lord, the party in opposition, that is the Bharatiya Janata Party, they had applied before the police on the 15th of October. Upon obtaining a no objection, my lord, from a local club who had, my lord, permitted the party, my lord, to use the my lord, the field, my lord, of the club, my lord, that is at page 24. So, my lord, on the basis thereof, my lord, the permission was, my lord, sought for from the police authorities. Now, what happened thereafter is, my lord, we have gathered, my lord, from reliable sources. There was tremendous pressure which was created upon this particular club authority, as a consequence whereof, at page 29, my lord, will find the club was constrained to withdraw the permission on the 16th of October, which was given, my lord, on the 15th of October. My lord, kindly takes page 24 and 29. Now, thereafter, the petitioners immediately, my lord, at page 30, my lord, approached the NHAI seeking permission to use a service road, my lord, to have the public meeting, my lord, which is scheduled on the 21st of October, my lord. My lord will find that at page 30. The BDO, my lord, was also, my lord, addressed a letter, my lord, page 31. The SDO's letter, my lord, which we had addressed, is at page 34. And we were apprehending, my lord, such mischief, my lord, because there are past instances, my lord. We have orders also. This same police station, my lord, they had resorted to the same, my lord, illegal action to deter the opposition from voicing their protest, my lord, or from addressing the public.
What is the permission has been granted by the project director?
No, but the NHI has received it. The NHI, the receipt of the NHI, my lord, will find page 30, my lord, kindly takes pain to come to page 30 once, my lord.
Yes.
This is the receipt, my lord, by the NHAI. And, my lord, what we did thereafter was, because we realized, my lord, it is not, my lord, any other corner from where, my lord, the objection is coming, but the police itself. So, my lord, we had immediately approached, my lord, another club, namely, my lord, Torun Sangho. My lord will find the, my lord, letter at page 42. We had requested for permission for using their playground. Page 42. On the basis thereof, at page 43, the playground was permitted to be used by this club also, my lord. Now, thereafter, my lord, the police was also communicated.
This meeting is going to be held in Torun Sangho Club.
Torun Sangho, my lord, the field, my lord, which is, my lord, belonging to or which is used by Torun Sangho.
After Torun Sangho
Yes, Torun Sangho,
has given permission,
page 43.
what is the
My lord, we had approached the police authorities that we have now approached Torun Sangho. We had intimated to the police authorities also that the previous permission was withdrawn by Netaji Sporting because of pressure being created upon them by the police itself. Therefore, since you have already done your field work with regard to the political meeting intended on the 21st, you kindly grant us permission at Torun Sangho. Now, what happened, my lord? Nothing was being done. And, my lord, this is a known, my lord, practice, my lord, now prevalent in this particular, in our state, my lord, which is very unfortunate. That, my lord, we require, my lord, orders from the honorable court, all the parties in opposition, my lord, to have any political function, any political meetings, my lord. I have a compilation of case laws, my lord. But what I will place, my lord, at first is, my lord, we apprehended, my lord, that the police will not do anything. In the morning, my lord, I was constrained to knock the doors of justice, my lord. 12 o'clock, my lord, the petition, 12 noon, my lord, the petition was served upon the GP office. 12:30, suddenly, my lord, the petitioner receives, my lord, this communication which has been introduced by way of the supplementary affidavit, my lord. this is peculiar, my lord. Page 4. I am sure, my lord, my brother representing the state, my lord, would have been harping on the same document also, my lord. So I made his work easier. So now suddenly at 12:30, the police is writing, with reference to the above, this is to inform you that you have requested for permission of open meeting in the field of Torun Sangho Math, in the field of New Torun Sangho Math, located at village such and such, Raghunathpur, PS Rajapur, Howrah. The matter for permission has been inquired into locally by the Rajapur police station, and local inquiry report revealed that the land in question is recorded as Noyanjuli as per Banglar Bhumi Tattva, and its Rayat is Communication and Works Department. The club has no locus standi to give permission on the land of PWD. So, my lord, this is one limb where, my lord, the police themselves are identifying this particular playground as Torun Sanghor Math, my lord. That is what, my lord, the memo opens with. That this is known as Torun Sanghor's Math, but the police, my lord, has vested unto themselves, my lord, now, my lord, the jurisdiction of a civil court also, my lord. They are trying to now adjudicate title also. That no, as per the Bhumi and Totho, Banglar Bhumi and Totho, the Rayat is the PWD, etc., etc. Now thereafter, my lord, these are, my lord, self-defeating. Besides, this land is located beside NH16 Kolkata bound, and also the land is not compatible for conducting meeting or assembly, as the nature of the land is Noyanjuli. Now, this apart, the land area is contiguous to NH16, having no service road or other space, and this has highest level of apprehension of traffic-related hazards and accidents. This may anytime affect the safety and security of the honorable leader of opposition, who is also a Z category protectee. At the very same time, the area of the land is too small to accommodate the supporters who usually attend such meeting. Hence, the possibility of stampede and accidents cannot be ruled out. The safety and security of the leader of the opposition and supporters cannot be compromised at the instance of conducting such meeting. Under the circumstances, the request for permission for such meeting is regretted. Malot, insofar as Malot, this particular stand is concerned, Mantha Sahiber auditor though. This particular police station, in respect of a matter, my lord, filed by this particular petitioner, had resorted to, my lord, similar plea, my lord. That was, my lord, in the month of May 2023, passed in WPA number 12664 of 2023. একটা copy দাও সবন্ধদেরকে। I'll just read out. So there also, my lord, it was in the same area, uluberia of the Rajapur police station, my lord. They stated that, yes, my lord will find para 5. The officer in charge, Rajapur police station, has indicated that the road of the proposed rally is rather congested and the field is unlikely to hold more than 500 supporters. The petitioner has produced and shown videos of the ground to the learned advocate for the state. The petitioner assures that the rally field can accommodate about 2,000 people. Be that as it may, the petitioner shall name 3 persons responsible for compliance of terms and conditions of holding the rally. Petitioner shall hold the rally in a peaceful way and shall not cause any obstruction or inconvenience to the public at large. Venue of the rally shall be cleaned up after its conclusion. The route of the aforesaid rally shall be strictly followed by the petitioner and the organizers. The police shall ensure appropriate arrangements and deployment. With that observation, my lord, the writ petition was disposed of. My lord, here also. No. It was a rally followed by a meeting. My lord, para 5 is amply clear. And I'm sure, my lord, my learned elder brother, my lord, will definitely have and avail his opportunity, my lord, of addressing, my lord. It is not that, my lord, he has to address, my lord, when I am trying to, my lord, entrench on a particular point, my lord, before your lordship, my lord. We are all, my lord, before the fountain of justice, my lord, in this state, my lord. So we should all have that regard. Now, my lord, this was the plea, my lord, which was resorted to by the same police station about the size and area. My lord, in the supplementary affidavit, our specific avowment is, my lord, the property is, my lord, around 2 bighas, this particular field, my lord. My lord, it is there. We have pleaded that in our supplementary affidavit. My lord will find it at para 5, page 2, para 5. The petitioner submits that the ground of Torun Sangho is more or less 2 bighas and can easily accommodate 2,500 persons at a time. There are instances where gathering of around 2,000 persons was held in the same ground of New Torun Sangho. It is stated that more or less such and such people will be joining the said public meeting, which is scheduled on 21/10/2024.
Is it besides the NH?
It is, yes, it is adjoining the NH, my lord. And here, my lord, there are, my lord, instances of meetings being held, my lord. Now, in so far as, my lord, meetings and rallies, my lord, may kindly appreciate also, my lord, it is not a demonstration
concern of safety and security of the person.
Yes, my lord, the concern of safety and security, my lord, which is now being, my lord, tried to be harped upon by the state, is concerned, my lord. Now, my lord, the honorable leader of the opposition is a central government protective, my lord. He is classified as a Z category protective by the Ministry of Home Affairs. And, my lord, the CISF, my lord, are very, very capable, my lord, of, my lord, taking necessary steps and precautions to ensure, my lord, the safety and security.
But
And, my
the
lord, very recently also,
organizers should also
yes,
take the
of
responsibility.
course, my
so
lord.
that
Of
it
course.
is-
My lord, we will not name not only 3, my lord, we'll name 5 volunteers with their name and number. Who
Where is
will
that?
No, no, we will, my lord. This is my undertaking, my
We
lord.
will provide that.
Yes, we will provide the names and numbers of 5 volunteers, my lord, who will be taking care, my lord, and coordinating with the police authorities, my lord. And, my lord, we have instances also, my lord. Now, very recently, my lord can take judicial notice of the fact. This is, my lord, dated 28th of August 2024, passed by an honorable coordinate bench, where, my lord, the honorable court had taken judicial notice that nowadays, my lord, I'll just place the order, my lord. So this was on, my lord, with regard to, my lord, a demonstration on the main road, on the main thoroughfare in and around Dalhousie Square, my lord. Even during, my lord, the working days. And here, my lord, what we are knocking the doors for of justice is for, my lord, a meeting which is maximum, my lord, the duration of which will be around 3 hours, not beyond that. So, my lord, kindly take page 3, internal page 3 of this particular order, the third paragraph. This court has taken judicial notice of the fact that there are several instances regarding processions, rallies, meetings, etc., which are held in regular intervals in the state of West Bengal and more particularly in Kolkata. Demonstration Dharna Avasthan has also taken place on weekdays by different political parties. Because the 21st July gathering or demonstration, which takes place, that was also cited. In fact, the Honorable Home Minister of India, he intended to have, a political meeting, in that area, and we had to knock the doors of justice, my lord. And the honorable court, my lord, the honorable division bench, my lord, presided over by the honorable the chief justice, my lord, tasked the state, my lord, with the question that why this particular area adjoining Victoria House is to be used only by one particular political party, that is by the party in power. To which, my lord, the state had no justifiable answer, my lord. Now, the honorable single judge's order was confirmed, my lord, by the honorable division bench, my lord, on that score. I have that order also, my lord. But here, my lord, that has also been, my lord, considered, my lord. That is, I'll just place that. It was held by a coordinate bench of this court as well as in the state of West Bengal and others versus Jagannath Chattopadhyay. My lord, this is the matter where, my lord, the honorable Home Minister of India, my lord, had his program in MAT number such and such that there should be level playing field for all political parties for holding public rallies, gatherings, meetings, and the law and order has to be looked into by the state. It was further held in a judgment of a coordinate bench reported in 2017 SEC Online Shashankha Shikhar De, thereafter it has been set out. The operating part in view of the above and in the interest of justice, the court passes the following directions. Upon that, directions, the court permitted, the political rally. This was a rally. Ours is a meeting here, my lord. And that was on Dorina Crossing. Dorina Crossing is, my lord, the heart and the midpoint, the center of Calcutta, my lord. So there also, my lord, it was permitted. Now, my lord, if the police, my lord, now tries to take a shelter citing that no law and order can be a problem, the police cannot do that. Because it is the bounden duty of the police, my lord, to control the law and order situation. So, my lord, these are my humble submissions, my lord. I will not, my lord, burden my lord. I know, my lord, judicial time is very, very precious, my lord. I will keep myself as concise as possible, my lord. But I pray before your lordship, I beseech my lord, for a mandatory order, my lord, directing, my lord, the police to accord necessary permission so that, my lord, we can have the meeting on the 21st of October, my lord. I'm grateful to your lordship, my lord.
Yes.
But my learned friend has submitted several things, and Lord also Lord triggered the state that they are being deprived by the state. All political parties, 7 states ruling. But on that score, Lord, I am Lord, inviting my learned friend to Lord produce any Lord example so that I can deal with this on affidavit. Otherwise, he should be restrained from making such submission. Number one. Number two, Lord, your lordship kindly But my learned friend has
Sabbath
filed the supplement affidavit. But he has not annexed the entire copy.
We have annexed whatever we have received on WhatsApp.
I do not know on WhatsApp or whatever it may be, but this is the, but kindly see, but the land but which is on record, Lord, police has said so. Police has not decided their title, interest or right over the land. Lordship, kindly see the third page. Fourth page, Lord, from my Lord has got it, Lord, the record. Lordship, kindly see. Non-Julie, and there are Rights and Norms, Communication and Works, the public PWD department. Therefore, Lord, the club, when the club, Lord, realize that they have no authority to give permission, they withdraw. They withdrew the permission. But I am not going to that because these are relating to club. We are not concerned with. But the club has got no authority at all
No.
to give permission. But Lordship has asked very pertinent question to my learned friend. Your
Which
Lordship,
club? The
my
first one or the second one?
My Lord?
This land which you have given a photograph,
Yes.
this is of the first club or the second club which you are talking?
Second
There are two clubs.
Second club.
First they approached, that was refused.
My Lord.
That was initially granted, thereafter withdrawn.
Thereafter after refused. Now this photographs concerning which
Second.
club? Second club.
It
That is Torun Sangho.
Torun Sangho.
Yes.
Lord, only Lord, your Lordship, kindly, your Lordship has very pertinent question, asked very pertinent question to my learned friend. Learned friend answered is, we have applied for. That has not been given. Lordship, kindly consider, your Lordship has asked my learned friend, but he has not answered. But Lord, safety and security, because he's a congested road, your Lordship knows the Bombay highway, Bombay road.
Land is being used by the club.
My Lord?
Land is being used by the club.
No, there is club is here, but no use. Non-Julie. It's a non-Julie.
No, how
Your
come-
Lordship, kindly see the non-Julie.
how the
this
club
land-
is being run in that particular field?
My Lord.
How?
That is the question that I'm putting to myself. What is the authority of the club to give permission?
Okay.
We are not against any meeting or rally. But that should be, if somebody has chosen, yes, I will go over there, not any other place. Because they have a right. They have a right to raise their voice in a meeting or rally, whatever it may be. But that should be in accordance with the circumstances, in accordance with the condition of the traffic and everything. They have to consider. National Highway Authority has not yet disposed of their representation.
That is all.
That is my. No, Z category, your Lordship has seen the report. Because Z category, we have to maintain that. CISF personnel with him, that is right. But we have to maintain, if anything has happened to the leader of opposition, the entire responsibility will not go on the shoulder of the state. Am I clear, your Lordship? So that your Lordship can ask the NIA authority to consider the representation. Whether that is the perfect area of holding a meeting or not. And when leader of opposition will go, your Lordship kindly consider the crowd.
Yes.
May I just respond to it? I will not take more than 2 minutes time. The first query was of the Honorable Court as to whether this particular club is using the field or not. Kindly takes the impugned order at page 4 of the supplementary affidavit. The impugned order of refusal, my lord. It opens with the wording, my lord. With reference to the above, this is to inform you that you have requested for permission of open meeting in the field of Torun Sangho Mat, located at village and PO Raghunathpur, Dagmanglo, PS Rajapur, Howrah. The police themselves are acknowledging and admitting, my lord, that this particular field, my lord, is being used by Torun Sangho.
They have mentioned.
My lord,
They have mentioned.
I am responding, my lord. If my learned friend is not finished, my lord, then I'll.
Incorrect statement is making
It is very difficult to Because Mr. Banerjee, owing to his seniority, my lord, he is so tremendously experienced. He knows, my lord, exactly, my lord, when a point is being bolstered, my lord, how to not interrupt, my lord. So this is one. But it is a field, my lord, which is being used by this particular club. There are football tournaments, other meetings, fairs, which are, my lord, held, my lord, on a regular basis, my lord, in this particular, uh, my lord, playground, my lord, of the club. So this is one, my lord. Second is, my lord, a lot has been saved, my lord, submitted, my lord, by the state regarding the safety and security of the leader of the opposition. My lord, I can submit, my lord, with responsibility. I have, my lord, appeared in around 14 cases, 14 writ petitions filed by the leader of the opposition, stating that there is something known as the yellow book. The yellow book, my lord, pertains to the security arrangement, the security cover, insofar as, my lord, the state protectives and the central protectives are concerned. The blue book is, my lord, the highest one. The blue book is, my lord, with regard to, my lord, the SPG commandos, my lord, to which, my lord, the Honorable Her Excellency the President of India, the Honorable the Prime Minister of India, my lord, they are entitled. So that is guided by the blue book. And the yellow book, my lord, that governs, my lord, the field, that holds the field, my lord, insofar as the protectives of the central government as well as, my lord, the state government are concerned. Now, in terms of the yellow book, my lord, this was also, my lord, with regard, my lord, by virtue of judicial pronouncements in a writ petition filed by the leader of the opposition, my lord. It is the bounden duty of the state, my lord, to maintain a liaison with the, my lord, with the Central Industrial Security Forces. As a consequence whereof, my lord, there are liaison officers who coordinate, my lord. And insofar as, my lord, the route lining, the maintenance of law and order, my lord, these are concerned. Now, these are the bounden duty of the state. Only, my lord, day before yesterday, the Commissioner of Police, my lord, has been served upon notice to the SO, has been served upon with a notice for contempt that he is not complying with the terms stipulated in the yellow book, my lord, insofar as giving protection to the leader of the opposition is concerned. And here, my lord, completely, my lord,
I'm
here, my lord,
this is
completely,
not related to
I
this.
exactly know, my lord, what I am submitting,
No,
my
no,
lord,
no.
and I am
Certainly not.
submitting, on
But ultimately,
instructions, my lord.
responsibility will go to the state.
Yes, which the state has
Yes.
failed till date,
Yes.
which the state
My
has-
learned friend
with the state
can ensure the
in any
court
event, my lord. So,
as an advocate.
in
What
any
kind of-
event, in terms of the yellow book, my lord, the guidelines and the stipulations are there, my lord. So I understand, my lord, what is being submitted on behalf of the state, my lord, is completely on the basis of instructions which are misconceived, my lord, as has been passed.
The National Highway Authority, my lord, is not our control.
NHAI, my lord, insofar as, my lord, having it at this playground is concerned, my lord, the NHAI is not the authority.
This is adjacent.
The NHAI is
What
not
you
the
say?
authority, my lord, because
But
we
the-
intend
the-
to have it,
by-
my lord.
By lane,
We-
my lord, all the lorries,
Intend to,
Both cannot.
my lord.
we intend to have it, my lord, at this particular playground. We intend to, my lord, supply the names of 5 volunteers with their phone numbers and necessary, my lord, details.
Volunteer, what
And with
volunteer
an
will do?
undertaking, my lord, that immediately upon completion of this particular political program, my lord, we'll be cleaning up the field, my lord.
No, no, the concern is because it is besides the NH,
The last page. Your lordship kindly see the
NH.
sketch.
My lord.
the safety and security of the public or the supporters who are coming to attend the meeting,
My
that is
lord.
also a vital concern.
My lord. So, my lord, the NHAI has been already intimated, my lord. So, my lord may pass a mandatory order, leaving the remaining discussion, my lord, to the subject to, my lord, the NHAI's view, my lord. Because, my lord, ultimately we are not doing it on the NHAI. We are doing it at a playground adjacent to the NHAI.
Now, no, 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 I am into not NHAI. It
Yes.
can be, suppose you conduct the meeting on the
My lord.
particular date, the safety and security of the persons who are coming to attend the meeting,
Yes.
because it is besides the NH.
My lord,
So
the,
And
somebody,
the traffic.
the
Yes.
only
And the traffic
the
also.
only issue, my lord, that can, my lord, be relevant is, my lord, regarding parking of the vehicles, my lord. Which, whether it will be on the NHAI or not. My lord, may kindly bear me for a moment, my lord. ওখানে এই মাঠটার পাশে NHAI বাদ দিয়েও আরো পার্কিং এর জায়গা আছে? প্রচুর জায়গা। হ্যাঁ, বলুন। জায়গা আছে তো? মানে কোথায়? পাশে মানে সার্ভিস রোড। NHAI এর উপরে না পারলে
Any
তো
place other than place, your lordship can do
Huh?
it. Any place. মাথামাটি করুক না।
ম্যাপটা দিন। হার্ড কপি আনতে চেকটা না?
ফোনে এখন দেখলাম।
ও, দেখান আমাকে দেখান একবার, চট করে দেখান। But I am told, my lord, there are vacant spaces, my lord, in and around this playground, my lord, which is always used as parking. So, my lord, the question of parking the vehicles, my lord, on the NHAI,
This is the submission from the bar, my lord. But
parking on the NHAI, my lord.
place on record, my lord, I shall take
আপনি
instructions.
দেখান আমাকে তাড়াতাড়ি।
I shall take instructions to that. This is a submission on.
It is being done, my lord, by the state, my lord, in order to deter, my lord, this party in
no
opposition
question, no
from
question of
having-
data.
Hmm.
But they are motivated, that's why they are saying so.
Hmm. Hmm. আর পার্কিং এর এগুলো কোথায় থাকে?
হ্যাঁ?
পার্কিং এর এগুলো কোথায় থাকে?
Any place more other than place, your lordship can pass the order, not subject to correction.
My lord, I have handed, my lord, my lord, instances where, my lord, the honorable court has permitted us, my lord, even with regard to, my lord, a particular area under this particular police station, where, my lord, the police also, my lord, tried to mislead the honorable court by saying that
But I
it
do
is a
not
small
know.
area,
I do
congested
not know
area.
that,
You have to know, sir, you already have the order. I have supplied it.
I have no order.
You please be fair to the honorable court. I have just handed it over to you.
Yes, yes. But
You
I
can
do
be
not know
unfair with me. You have
whether
to
appeal
show
has been
fairness to
papered
the
or not,
honorable
I do not know. Mr. Bhattacharya,
Bhattacharya.
I do not know whether appeal has been papered or not.
How will the ingress and egress to the NH 34 will be okay? The thoroughfare will be
My lord, the thoroughfare will not be, my lord, my instructions are, my lord, insofar as, my lord, the NHAI is concerned, my lord, the question of, my lord, vehicles being parked on the NHAI, my lord, does not arise, my lord, it is out of place.
so
My lord, I am
any-
submitting on instructions
as
from the
meeting
petitioner who is present
concerned,
in court,
your
my lord.
submission is that that will not have any effect so
That
far
will
as the
not hamper the
thoroughfare of
traffic,
the
no.
NH is concerned.
Yes, we will not be parking, my lord, on the NHAI. None of the vehicles, my lord, pertaining to this, my lord,
The
the attendee.
organizers has also to shoulder the responsibility so
Correct.
that the meeting is peacefully
Oh,
conducted.
yes, yes, yes.
Yes, just a minute, and the thoroughfare through the NHA that should also not be obstructed
Fine.
in any way.
My lord can record my undertaking, my lord, to that effect, my lord. My lord can record my undertaking.
Ashok.
My lord, I am giving the
And Lord,
undertaking on
after
the
the-
basis
after
of
the-
instructions, my lord,
And
received
Lord-
from the petitioner who is present in person, my lord, in the honorable
Lordship,
court.
lordship kindly
আপনি অনুরোধ করবো তো?
consider,
হ্যাঁ।
after the meeting, they will clean all
Yes, yes,
the
yes.
places as it
দিয়ে
was.
দিচ্ছি, দিয়ে দিচ্ছি।